Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we make technical skills not just easy, but fun. Today, we're diving into something truly mesmerizing, the beauty of soldering when viewed through a microscope. Trust me, you'll never look at soldering the same way again. For those of you who are new, soldering is the process of joining two or more electronic components using a metal alloy called solder. It's one of the fundamental skills every electronics hobbyist and professional should master. But have you ever wondered how fascinating this process looks up close? Before we get started, let's talk about the tools you'll need. Soldering iron, solder, flux, tweezers, and of course, a microscope camera. If you don't have one, don't worry. You can follow along and enjoy the close-up views we'll show you today. Alright, let's zoom in. With the microscope, you can see the solder flowing perfectly between components, bonding them together. What might seem like a simple task becomes an intricate dance of precision and heat. Here, you can notice how the flux helps the solder spread smoothly, and how critical temperature control is to avoid damaging the components. As you can see, soldering requires a steady hand and patience. Here are a few quick tips to help you improve your soldering game. Keep the tip clean. A clean soldering iron tip ensures smooth soldering. Use the right amount of solder. Too much can lead to messy connections. Work with proper ventilation. Always ensure you're in a well-ventilated space. Soldering is both a skill and an art. When you see it through a microscope, you realize how precise and delicate the process really is. With the right technique and practice, you'll be creating perfect joints every time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and fascinating close-ups. Leave a comment if you've got any questions or tips of your own, and make sure to like and share the video with others who want to improve their soldering skills. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay creative, and keep soldering.